Do you know many people are having trouble with blinking green lights on their vacuums? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Examine indicator. Examine the battery indicator. If it's blinking green, it's unusual as it typically indicates standard charging when steady green. Step 2. Ensure connection. Ensure your vacuum is connected properly to the charger for effective charging. The connection should be secure. Step 3. Charge fully. Allow the vacuum to charge fully, especially for a new device, as initial conditioning may be required for the battery. Step 4. Check for issues. Check for issues if the vacuum doesn't charge or if the green light continues blinking without stabilizing. Step 5. Continue investigation. If the issue persists after checking connections and charging, further investigation may be needed. Now you should be able to address the blinking green light on your Shark FlexBreeze vacuum. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Shark users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.